Meet Dave. Dave has recently moved to Saudi Arabia for work and plans to stay here for a couple of years. Dave is fascinated by the uniqueness of Saudi culture and the welcoming nature of his Saudi colleagues. He wants to engage with them, but does not speak or understand Arabic. So when at work, conversations are hard to understand. He feels left out. In his daily life, simple tasks like ordering food or greeting neighbors feel intimidating. Language is holding him back from having meaningful conversations. Sounds familiar? Well, that's because Dave is not the only one. Most expats moving to Saudi Arabia experience a similar problem. Introducing Arabius. Arabius offers super engaging sessions with local Saudi guides that not only helps you learn Saudi Arabic dialect, but also helps you understand the amazing Saudi culture so that you can make the most out of living in Saudi. Our sessions are designed to suit your busy schedule. That means you can choose between our online or in-person sessions and also select a time slot from days that fit your schedule. Arabius makes learning practical, fun, and immersive. Whether you want to learn Arabic to fast-track your career in Saudi or to communicate better with people around you, Arabius has got you covered. Ready to start speaking Arabic with confidence? Take the first step and book your free trial today.